Welcome to Njenje Media TV. This is where we explore the news behind the headlines. Uche Nwosu in serious panic mode over judicial inquiry on the land instituted by the current governor of Imo State, Right Honorable Emeka Ihedioha. Uche Nwosu is panicking, very panicking, because the current governor of Imo State has set up a panel of inquiries. The setting up of a robust 7-man judicial inquiry on land by Governor Emeka Ihedioha has sent the abandoned gubernatorial candidate of Action Alliance, AA, Uche Nwosu, into a panic mode. The reason is not far-fetched. Uche Nwosu served as Commissioner for Land and Surveyor in Okorocha's administration between 2013 to 2015. We give kudos to the governor of Imo State for selecting qualified and competent persons of integrity as members of the panel, which is expected to submit their reports within 60 days. The scope of the report and the scope of the panel work is to consider the process of land administration in the state between June 2006 to May 2019. That is spanning over 13 years. So it's not only Okorocha. This equally includes Ihedioha or Hakim. But why is it that it is only Uche Nwosu that is very panicking? Uche Nwosu is the son-in-law and the right-hand man of the ex-governor, the Iberiberized Senator Okorocha. As the Commissioner for Lands, then he is allegedly to be privy to illegal conversions to private use of many government lands and properties by Okorocha. It was alleged that Nwosu also supervised the grabbing of Imo people's private property under the strict directive of his father-in-law, which was alleged shared amongst themselves and their cronies. Some of the properties are currently under investigation and have been sealed off by the EFCC, the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC. These properties include the following, but they are not limited to them. 1. Old secretariats converted to Woody Wellness Center owned by Nkechi, Okorocha's wife. 2. A land in Kuje, Abuja, where Okorocha is also building a private university. 3. IBC quarters converted to Rochas Foundation College. 4. Shell camp quarters converted to private use. 5. The land in Area P, New Owerri, converted to Westbrook Hotel, owned by Uche Nwosu, a man with no traceable means couple of years back. 6. Government House Annex, Olun Road, converted to Lamonde Hotel, owned by Okorocha, which name was later changed to Willowwood Hotel, still allegedly owned by Okorocha through a proxy. 7. All-in Supermarket, owned by Okorocha's wife. What shall it profit a man to own all this property and loot his people dry and end up in Kuje prison? Okorocha and your empire. Thank God for Ihedioha. The people of Igbo nation are awaiting eagerly for the outcome of this committee, and they are waiting when the properties looted, stolen, converted, commingled will be returned to the people of Imo State. This is Njenje Media channel. Subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications.